All right, the doorway is framed out. It's pretty sturdy for just 2x construction, 2 inches width. That is very solid. That'll be fine. All right. And 75 3/4 inch is the height. I have to cut this door down. I'm cutting from 80 inches, 75 3/4. 5 3/4 from 10 is 4.5 inches. Cutting 4.5 inches off the bottom of the door. Then I'll relocate the weather stripping and the door saddle back on. Yeah. All right. Mission accomplished with this. Eventually there'll be a whole porch here. Just walk right out onto it. Hello. Actually, I'm debating having the porch a step down because snow could pile up and be right at the height of the door and then leak into the... So maybe this should be a 6-inch step down. I like the flow though of just walking straight out into a... But the roof seems kind of weird having the roof like right there. No, it'll be fine. I like the idea of walking straight out onto it. So far everything is nice and level. Put masonite on the whole job so that, or on all of this area so that it would come to the same height as that floor. Put the vinyl floor in. Yep, one project each weekend. This weekend's project's the door. All right.